Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look routine. I don't wear makeup every day, but if I do, this is what I go to. This is what I've mastered, and this is like what's quick for me. So if you're interested in this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can be part of the Goria gang. I would love to have you join. And let's go ahead and get on into this video. So first, I'm going to prime with the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Protection Primer. I love this stuff. It really does. It smooths out my skin and it helps the makeup look better throughout the day. Okay, so while my primer is kind of sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my brows with the Benefit Precisely my brow pencil and just lightly fill them in, all the sparse areas. For my base, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I'm gonna mix Nude and Almond because I'm kind of not super tan, but I'm not super light right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tap this on. I have been using this tinted moisturizer for a good 2 years, and it's the best, in my opinion, for a tinted moisturizer. And I'm just taking my beauty blender, and now I am blending it all out. Blend down that neck. So now I'm just gonna take the new Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Youth Concealer. I'm taking light beige and dotting a little bit under my eyes and down the center of my face. And then to spot conceal, I'm taking warm beige. And now we're just gonna blend it all together. Blend out all the creases, and then we're going to take some translucent powder. This is by Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to slightly bake under my eyes. I'm taking whatever is left and I'm going to put this down here. Just going to press in that bake. And now to warm up the face, I'm going to mix the Hourglass Luminous Light Bronzer and that Bobbi Brown, I think this is Golden Light Bronzer. I'm just going to sweep through my brows. So now we're gonna add some blush. Yas, come through. I always take a little bit of the blush on the forehead too. I've always done that. I'm just gonna like even it out on the face. I love blush. I'm gonna take my Broken highlighter from Bobbi Brown. I shouldn't have traveled with this, but this is my favorite highlighter. And I literally use it like crazy. So I'm just gonna take this, tap off some excess, and just go ahead and highlight. Yes, highlight come through. She is glowing. Nose highlight is probably like one of the best things ever. It just looks so good. I'm gonna take my pinky and kind of put some in the inner corner. I'm just going to set the face with some Urban Decay. And once it's kind of been drying for a second, take your beauty blender and just tap in the excess so your face doesn't look super cakey and it just melts all the product together. For mascara, none other than the Hourglass Caution Mascara. Okay, so that is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick makeup look. It's super simple and I can master it in a good 3 minutes. If I'm not filming. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of the Goria gang. Follow my social medias here above for giveaways and other weird things about me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.